ka?
Taga-Barangay FM po. Taga-Barangay FM po.
Gayon! 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 Gayon!
Gayon!
This is your forever radio station. Barangay FM. Barangay FM. Barangay FM.
Gayon!
Ito ang Barangay FM. All hits, all the time.
Barangay FM.
Gayon!
Mga kabarangay, our Philippine National Anthem.
Good morning. You're tuned to DWQW Naga, Barangay FM 101.5 MHz, a commercial radio station owned and operated by GMA Network Incorporated. Barangay FM 101.5 operates daily with the power of 5,000 watts of digital broadcast power in full stereo. Barangay FM 101.5 studio and transmitter located at GMA TV Complex, Diversion Road, Barangay Concepcion Pequeña, Naga City. This FM radio is maintained by the following first-class radio and telephone operators duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission, Republic of the Philippines. Network Engineer Frisco and Barrientos with Electronics Engineer registration number 0022835. Transmitter Technicians Norman Matubis with license number 06-1PV-23270. Noel Valerio with license number 98-1PV-22611. Julie Bandola with license number 14-1PMCR-26688. And Eddie Valiente with license number 99-1PMCR-23091. DWQW Barangay FM 101.5 is now signing on.
Para sa mga kalalakihan.
Sunsilk. Use Sunsilk strong and long with active infusion for long hair that grows 3 times stronger. My best ever fragrance pa. Have amazing
Zoom Barangay!
Welcome po sa live natin mga mga sir. Ito po murang-mura lang. Quality at siguradong tatagal.
Ay ate, pamain po. Saan ang location? Sa Barangay LS!
Mga kwentong barangay. Mga kwentong barangay. Sa Barangay LS 97.1.
Pre, nagpapagawa yung barangay ng swimming pool Nag-donate ka ba?
Oo naman pre, ako pa ba?
Talaga? Ayos ka talaga
Oo naman pre, nag-donate ako ng 2 timba ng tubig.
Mga kwentong barangay. Mga kwentong barangay. Sa Barangay LS 97.1.